Hey there! Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're unpacking a wild truth, why rest is an absolute necessity.
But before we jump in, a huge, warm thank you to Metricom for bringing us today's explainer.
So, let's dive right in. Are you skipping rest days, thinking pushing through the fatigue equals progress?
Well, that's a total hustle myth. Your body doesn't actually get stronger from just stress, but from recovery.
And hey, recovery isn't just for pro athletes. Daily physical and mental stress impacts us all, right?
Injuries rarely start with a massive accident. Most actually begin super quietly, just simmering beneath the surface.
So, watch out for these early warning signs. A stiff back or dropping coordination means dangerous fatigue is building. As the Mayo Clinic warns, persistent pain or fatigue is a crystal clear sign of total system overload.
Our biology relies on a simple formula. Physical effort literally must be matched with repair to create progress.
Skipping that recovery phase, it causes system failure, shifting dangerous, unmanageable stress straight to your joints.
Okay, to fix this, let's look at 3 simple daily habits for better recovery. Here's habit 1. Sleep discipline. Poor sleep fundamentally trashes your body's essential repair systems and absolutely skyrockets your fatigue. Moving on, our second daily habit focuses heavily on exactly what you consume.
You absolutely must fuel your body with the right fluids, minerals, and balanced meals to rebuild energy.
And finally, our third daily habit is something you can easily do without sitting totally still.
The Cleveland Clinic loves active recovery. Light walking lets you keep moving safely at a super low intensity.
See, the smart approach isn't grinding harder. It's managing your daily load, sleep, and hydration together. Just remember this truth. Rest isn't laziness at all. It's the literal mechanism that allows progress to happen.
I'll leave you with this thought. Will one skipped rest day today cost you weeks of injury tomorrow?